Welcome back, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Step 2. Go to menu. Step 3. Go to settings and privacy. Step 4. Tap on See More in Accounts Center. Step 5. Click on Personal Details. Step 6. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Step 7. Then click on Deactivation or Deletion. Step 8. Select your Facebook account. Step 9. Then click on Delete Account Permanently and click on Continue. Step 10. Then select any option below and then click on Continue. Step 11. Then click on Continue again. Step 12. Scroll down and then click on Continue. Step 13. Then give your password. Step 14. Then click on Delete Account button and your account will be deleted. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Remember, this decision is irreversible, so think it through before taking this step. That's it. You've successfully learned how to permanently delete your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.